In a Honda-developed ABS, brake fluid is fed to the modulator unit via an independent hydraulic circuit from the conventional service brake hydraulic circuit. This is how to replace brake fluid in the modulator unit of a Honda-developed ABS. First, remove the cap from the maintenance bleeder and fit over an 8 mm box wrench and attach a clear tube. Insert the open end of the clear tube into a suitable container. Slowly loosen the bleeder by 1/8 to a quarter turn. The fluid is under high pressure, so be careful not to let it shoot out. When the flow of the fluid stops, close off the bleeder. Drain out the brake fluid from the reservoir tank of the modulator unit. There will be some fluid left at the bottom of the reservoir. Pour in new brake fluid up to the max level mark. Start the engine, run it for about 1 minute, and then turn the engine off. This will repressurize the system. The fluid level in the reservoir should have lowered after this step. Loosen the bleeder once more and let the brake fluid out. Add more new fluid into the reservoir. Start and run the engine for another minute or so, and then turn off the engine. Repeat the procedure until the new brake fluid starts to come out from the bleeder. Add sufficient amount of new brake fluid up to the max level mark of the reservoir for the last time. Start the engine. Check to make sure that the ABS indicator lamp does not indicate problems with the system. Run a functionality test using an ALB checker. If all the systems are normal, the procedure is completed. If the kickback feel of the pedal seems to be weak, bleed out air from the system.